Same tired eyes I always meet. Nobody talks, nobody smiles. Feels like it's been that way a while. On the bus we sit in rows, everyone staring at their phones. A woman sighs, a man looks down. The city hums its hollow sound. I see myself look straight ahead, pretend I didn't hear what she just said. It's easier to mind my own, but something in me won't leave me alone. They say don't care, just get by. Don't ask questions, don't ask why. But every time I turn away, I feel the world push me astray. I'm trying to stay kind when it's easier to close my eyes. I'm trying to stay kind when nobody has the time. I don't wanna lose that part of mine, so I'm trying to stay kind. At work they laugh about who's next. No one notices the context. Someone's gone, the desk is clear. By Monday no one cares, he's not here. They say it's just the way it goes. That's how the world survives, I was told. But I can feel it when I play along. Something human slipping wrong. I feel my voice get harder too. I can't just stay quiet like you. Scares me how it feels so right to fade away without a fight. I'm trying to stay kind when the room turns sharp and dry. I'm trying to stay kind when caring gets you left behind. I don't wanna live that life. I'm trying to stay kind. Maybe it won't change the world, maybe it won't change a thing, but I helped a stranger stand today, and I felt something breathe again. No one cares, no one claps, just a moment that felt intact. I'm not saying I'm above it all. I trip, I fail, I sometimes fall. But I've seen what happens down that road when every heart turns hard and cold. You stop feeling small things first, then you stop feeling This is the life.